Right, children? Now we have comparison of fractions. Now, how do we compare fractions? This is very easy. What is it that is easy? Let's look at this now. We know that every fraction has a numerator and a, what is it? Denominator. Right? So if I have, let's say, 3 circles, let's try to understand how we divide these 3 circles and come to an understanding of which is the larger fraction. Let's see. I divide this into 3 equal parts. Yes or no? Right.
Sir.
Yeah. I divide this into 4 equal parts. Correct? Now I divide this into, let's see children, I divide this into 6 equal parts. Right. Now if I color one part, look at the size of that. Yes, it's a large portion. Yes or no? Here,
Yes.
this portion is not much as large as this particular portion. If I color this portion, right. What is the smallest portion that we have?
The third one.
Third one is the smallest. Very good. So what do we understand now? As a fraction, 1 out of 3 or 1 upon 3. As a fraction, 1 upon 4. As a fraction, 1 out of 6. If these were to be chocolate cake, if they were to be chocolate cake, would you rather take this piece or this piece? Which piece would you rather take?
The big piece.
And the fraction would be
Big. 1/4.
1/3. 1/3. Yes or no? So what is it, children? We understand it as such. What is it? If the numerator is the same, if the numerator is the same, larger the denominator, smaller will be the value of the fraction. Again, let me rewrite it, children. Rephrase it. If the numerator is the same, is the numerator the same in all these? Yes or no? Yes. If the numerator is the same, larger the denominator, smaller will be the value of the fraction. Pute, how do we understand the value of a fraction? Again, let's go to the chocolate cake scenario. This is, you cut the cake into 3 equal parts and you eat one part. We have to assume that all these 3 are of equal size. Or else you cut the cake into 4 equal parts and you eat one part. Or else you cut the cake into 6 equal parts and you eat one part. Now what is the smallest part? 1 upon 6. How do we say this, children? Say it with me. What is this?
1/6. 1/6.
6. What is this, children?
1/6.
There you go. What is this, children?
1/3.
1 upon 3. Likewise. So if I am to write it, which is the larger one? 1 upon 4 is larger than 1 over 6. And 1 over 3 is larger than 1 over 4. So what happens? If the numerator is the same, larger the denominator. You understand that the value of the denominator, when it gets large, what happens to the value? The value of the fraction goes down. If the numerator is the same, larger the denominator, smaller will be the value of the fraction. Did I make myself clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If the numerator is the same, larger the denominator, smaller will be the value of the fraction. Right. Right, good children, take this down today, all of you.
Finish, sir.
Are you done, children? Did you all understand this? Can I erase the board?
Okay, sir.
Hebron, Omi, or whatever it is. Omi,
No, sir, I'm not finished and I'm about to finish.
when you are done, let me know, children.
I'm finished, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is not Hebron, it's Hebron.
Hebron.
Yeah, sir.
My bad, my man, my bad. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
sir. It's okay, sir.
You've gotten all these nice, beautiful names. Is it, if you don't mind me asking, is it a Jewish name? Something like that?
It's not a Jewish name, it's a Christian name.
Christian name.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much for my knowledge in all those. Yeah. So, okay, good to know.
Okay, thank you, sir.
It's anyways a nice common name.
Thank you, sir.
Are you the only, what is it? Hebron. What is it?
Hebron.
Hebron, yeah. You're the only Hebron in the school?
Hebron in the class?
Yeah, in the
Yeah.
host. Yeah, you should be. It's not like every day you find Hebron, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, yeah. Okay. Now today we have to further move along and see whether you can grasp this easily with another fine small example that we have. Okay. So we'll go with the idea that, what is the idea now? We write things in ascending order. Always remember, if the numerator is the same, larger the denominator, smaller will be the value of the fraction. Now there is a small twist. What is it now? When we take things into comparison, all these should be of the equal size initially. When we divide it, then of course we can divide it according to whatever the way that we are supposed to divide. Am I clear, children? Yes or no? Now
Yes,
now
sir.
you think of these as 4 slabs of chocolate, right? You should understand that these are 4 equal slabs of chocolate. Okay, right. Now initially I have 4. Next I will draw it as 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right. Now I am going to color 2 parts of it. Let's see. As a fraction, what is this, children? 2 upon 4.
2 upon 4, sir.
2 upon 4. And now what would that be today?
2 upon 3.
2 upon 3. 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what would that be?
2 upon 8.
2 upon 8 it is. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
16.
7,
16,
8,
sir.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Therein, what would this be
2
now?
upon 16. Number 2.
2 upon 16. Now, if I am to arrange them in ascending order, what is ascending order, children?
From down to up.
We don't say down to up, we say if it is in the alphabetical order,
Lowest
ascending
to the
order is
lowest
like
to the
A to Z. Yeah. Now ascending order usually says from smallest to the
largest.
largest it is. Very good. So what is the smallest fraction that you have? If this is if these are
16.
yeah,
16.
if these are 4 slabs of chocolate, would you rather take 2 over 16 or 2 upon 3 parts?
2 upon 3.
If you are really stingy, Yadu then taking order, you will cut this into 16 pieces and you give each of them 1 out of 16. Na? Yeah, really stingy. Yeah, that is what you would do, no? Yeah, I know, but you guys, na? Right. Tani kante papu this, I wage mahatri. Yeah. Okay, so what are we writing here now? Look at this here. If the numerator is the same, larger the denominator, smaller will be the value. Therefore, 2 upon 16 is having our smallest value. Yes or no? 2
Yes, sir.
upon 3 is
Yes, sir.
having our largest value. Did I make myself clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take this down, children. Next, we'll move on to having the denominator the same. Okay? Right. Take this down now.
Done, sir.
Have you just finished taking this down?
Finish, sir. Finish, sir.
Right, children? Now, let's go to the other part. What does it say? If the denominator is the same, larger the numerator, larger will be the value of the fraction. Now let's try to understand this using our basic knowledge. Let's look at this now. Now the denominator is the same. Assume that these are three equal cakes again. Yeah. Now I am going to cut each cake into three parts. I mean 6 parts, sorry. Now I have cut this into 6 parts. Now tell me which one is the largest part. Okay. Right. Now which one is the largest?
Third one.
1/6, 3/6, 5/6. You see that? Yeah, third one. So this is my smallest value. This is my largest value. If the denominator is the same, you see that the denominator is the same. Larger the numerator, larger will be the value. Are we clear on this, children? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 1/6 is the smallest that we have. 5/6 is the largest that we have. Right. Take it down like good children now.
Finish, sir.
Right, children. Wait till you just finish.
Finish, sir.
Deya, can you please bring me a right? Okay. Now, I hope that you have understood this. Have you all understood this clearly? Should I do another example? Yes or no? If you think that I should do another example, tell me, I'll do it.
No, sir. It's clear.
No need, huh? Huh?
It's clear, sir.
Clear, very good. Right. Now, I would like to ask a small question from you guys. Okay, now look at the board, all of you children. This is a very simple question, right? Look at this. Now understand this clearly. I have two, again, slabs of chocolate. Huh? I divide both of them into 8 parts. I divide both of them into how many parts, children?
8 parts.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 might not look the same, but you can write same. Now let's look at this. I am coloring 1, 8. Yeah. Here I am coloring this much. 6 over 8. Do you all understand that 6 1 over 8 join to form 6 over 8? Do you understand this? Yes or no? Look at the board.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Look at the board. Stop other work. Sanuji. Stop the other work. Listen to me. Look at the board. Stop doing other work. 6 1 over 8 parts join together to form 6 over 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
6 of these small parts join to form this. Correct?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Now this is my question to you all. How many 1 over 7s join to form 5 over 7? Tell me now. How many
5.
over 7s join to form 5 over 7?
5. 1 over 7.
Yes. What is the answer now?
5.
5. 5 1 over 7s join to form 5 over 7. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Right. Now tell me this. 3 what fractions join to form 3 over 10?
1 over 10.
Very good. 3 1 over 10s join to form 3 over 10. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now let's look at this. Right. 9. This forms what, Pute? 9. 1 over 17 gives us what?
9 over 7.
9 over 7.
9 over 7.
9 over 17. Right. Now we have some kind of an idea how many small parts join to form a larger fraction. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When I say something like this, or when you see something like this in your school examination, you should picture this. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take this down.
Finish, sir.
Have all of you finished taking this down, children?
Yes, sir.
All right, Hebron, that's fine. Okay, you take your time. Let me know when you're done, though, okay?
Finish, sir.
payments எல்லாம் 30th போடும்.
So I'm done. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, that would be me. What do you want?
Sir, I have a question in this joining this one. Sir,
Yeah.
if we put 3 to 8 to join
Yes,
6,
we
8,
did.
will it work?
What is it? What is it?
If we join 3 to 8, will it form 6, 8?
3 2 8. Yes, indeed. Very good. Very good. Yes, it would. Very good. 3 2 8 would form 6 over 8. Very nice. Good. Yeah, really good, no man.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it would. It would. Now, let's look at this. Write the following in ascending order. Let's do this. Try to write these in ascending order.
Sir, finished.
Yeah, we'll see. Now, children, write the following in ascending order. Write these and tell me the answers one by one.
Sir, can we put in the chat box to you?
Or else you may take a photograph of it and send it to the group itself. I don't mind. Either way, it's fine. Whatever that you're comfortable with.
Excuse me, sir. I send it to you. Not
Okay.
not in the group. I send it to you personally.
Okay. Hebron, one is correct, one is wrong. I want you to write it in ascending order. Smallest to the largest. Keep that in mind, Pute. Smallest to the largest.
Sir, can you say which this one is wrong? Yeah,
No. You will have to figure it out on your own. I wouldn't be saying that. I'm sorry. You'll have to figure it out on your own, darling.
sir, I found it.
Good for you.
I sent it to you. Sir, I send the corrections to you in your personal number. Actually, I send the corrections to you in your personal number.
Okay, I'll see to it. Wait, hold on.
So I send it in the chat box.
Okay, Pradhan, let's see. No, the corrections are also wrong, Ebron. Right, that's fine. Let's see. That is the reason why we come to a class. We have to correct ourselves. That's all. It's a part of the journey of learning. You see that here the denominators are the same. When the denominator is the same, larger the numerator, larger will be the value. Therefore, the smallest that we have is what? 2 over 11, 3 over 11, and 9 over 11. Here, smallest value. This is my what?
Largest value.
Can you have it? Here, if the numerator is the same, larger the denominator, smaller will be the value. So here, smallest value. Here,
Largest value.
those of you have gotten it wrong, please take it down now.
Okay, sir.
So finished.
Right, children, now we know how to compare the